ሰላም ሰላም ውድ ተመልካቾች እንደምን አላችሁ? በዛሬው ዕለት የምንመለከተው ፓርት 49 ላይ የቀረቡ የአፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎችን ከነመልሶቻቸው ይሆናል። እንደሚታወቀው ቢክ አካዳሚ በሚለው ዩቲዩብ ቻናል ላይ አፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎች ከናሰራራቸው የቀረበላችሁ ይገኛል። ይህን ቻናል ሰብስክራይብ ያደረጋችሁ መማር ትችላላችሁ። አፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎች በብዛት ለተማሪዎችና ለስራ ፈላጊዎች በጣም ጠቃሚ ናቸው። ምክንያቱም እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች በብዛት በስራ ውድድር ፈተና ላይ እንደዚሁም በ12ኛ ክፍል ማትሪክ ፈተና በሌሎችም ለምሳሌ በዩኒቨርሲቲ ኤግዚት ኤግዛም፣ በዩኒቨርሲቲ ኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም እና በመሳሰሉት የሚመጡ በመሆናቸው ብታውቋቸው ተጠቃሚ ትሆናላችሁ። ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ ያደረጋችሁ ተማሩ። ወደ ጥያቄዎቹ እንሄዳለን። Question number 160. A man owns 2/3 of a certain business and sells 3/4 of his share for $75,000. What is the value of the business? A. 50,000, B. 100,000, C. 150,000, D. 200,000. Now you are given the information as such. And a man owns 2/3 of a certain business and he sells 3/4 of his share for $75,000. From these informations, you are asked to find the value of the business. So first, let's assume that the total value of the business be $X. Then you can convert the word problem into equation or numerical form as such. 3/4 of 2/3 of X is equal to 75,000. Since here 75,000 means 3/4 of the share and the share of the man is 2/3 of the business. So you can have 3/4 of 2/3 of X, which is equal to 75,000. Again, you can rewrite this one as such. 3/4 times by 2/3 times by X, which is equal to 75,000. Now 3 times 3 is cancelled out by 3, and what remains is 2x over 4, which is equal to again 75,000. Crisscross it or again simplify further it, and you can have x over 2, which is equal to 75,000, and crisscross it, you get x is equal to 150,000. So the answer for this question is choice C. Question number 161. A boy was asked to multiply a certain number by 53. He multiplied it by 35 and got his answer less than the correct one by 1,206. Find the number to be multiplied. A. 67, B. 81, C. 94, D. 97. Now the boy is asked to multiply a certain number by 53, but wrongly he multiplied it by 35. Then the value that he get when he multiplied the number by 35 is less than the correct answer by 1,206. Then given this information, you are required to find out the correct number that the student has to be that must be multiplied, or that the student has to multiply. So again here let the required number be X. We don't know the number that the student has to multiply. Then let's represent it by letter X. Then the student was asked to multiply x by 53. He was asked to multiply x by 53 and the result would be 53x. But wrongly he multiplied the number by 35 and he gets 35x. So he gets 35x. But 35x is less than the correct 35x is less than the correct one by 1206. So 35x is equal to 53x, the correct answer, minus 1206. So you get this equation at last. 35x, which is equal to 53x minus 1206. Then rearrange it. You can collect like terms. So you have 35x minus 53x, which is equal to minus 1206. And 35x minus 53x is minus 18x, which is equal to minus 1206, and the negative sign can be cancelled out. So you get 18x, which is equal to 1206, and divide both sides by 18. You get x, which is equal to 67. So the number to be multiplied is therefore 67. Choice A is the answer for this question. Okay, this is all for today, and subscribe this channel to get additional videos that I will post in the future. እሺ ውድ ተመልካቾች እስከዚህ ሰዓት ድረስ ማለትም እስከ ፓርት 49 ድረስ 161 የሚሆኑ አጠቃላይ የአፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎችን ከናሰራራቸው አቅርቤላችኋለሁ። እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች ለተማሪዎችና ለስራ ፈላጊዎች እጅግ ጠቃሚ ናቸው። እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች የገባችሁ ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ የተመለከታችሁ በመማር ራሳችሁን ማብቃት ትችላላችሁ። አፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎችን መስራት የሚችል ማንኛውም ሰው በየትኛውም አጋጣሚ በሚያጋጥሙት የስራው ውድድር ፈተና ወይም ሌሎች ፈተናዎች የብቃት ፈተና ሊሆን ይችላል። በየትኛውም ፈተና ላይ ብቁ ተወዳዳሪ መሆን ይችላል። ብቁ አቅም ማጎልበት ይችላል። ስለዚህ ማንኛውም ሰው አፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎችን መስራት መለማመድ ቢያውቅ የተሻለ ተጠቃሚ ይሆናል ብዬ አስባለሁ። ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ። ሌሎችም ቻናሉን እንዳገኙት ሼር አድርጉላቸው።